Assalamu alaikum students. We are going to start a new chapter, that is hormones. So first of all, we will study about the definition of hormones. What are hormones actually? A hormone is a chemical substance that is produced in a very small amount by special type of glands which are called endocrine glands. They are called endocrine glands because they have no ducts. Their secretions are carried by the blood. That's why they are called endocrine glands. So they carried their secretions by the blood, and it changes the activity of one or more specific target organs. So we can say that hormones are transported by the blood to the target organs to alter their activities. And at the end, hormones are destroyed by the liver. In this chapter, we will study about the two important hormones, adrenaline and insulin. So first of all, adrenaline. Adrenal gland is actually located above the kidneys. On both kidneys, on the top of both kidneys, adrenal glands are located, and these glands secretes a hormone called adrenaline. What is the cause of secretion of adrenaline? Adrenaline actually secretes in the conditions of fear, anger, anxiety, and stress. And what are the effects of adrenaline? First of all, it increases the metabolic rate. It means that more energy is released in tissue respiration. Then it increases the blood glucose level. So by speeding up the breakdown of glycogen to glucose in the liver and muscles, so that glucose produced is carried by the blood to all the vital organs and especially the heart and skeletal muscles to provide energy. Then it increases the rate of heartbeat. It increases the coagulation rate of blood. It causes the constriction of the arteries. It relaxes the bronchioles, so that increasing the airflow to the lungs. And it causes pupil dilation to enhance the vision. And it contracts hair muscles to produce goose pimples. So all these effects actually prepare the body for the emergency situations. So we can say that this is the hormone for fight or flight. This is the hormone for in emergency situations. Then the hormone insulin. This insulin hormone is secreted by the special type of cells which are present in the pancreas. And those cells are called islets of Langerhans. They secrete the hormone which is called insulin. And what is the cause of secretion of insulin? Actually, it secretes when the increase in concentration of blood glucose takes place. Like when the blood glucose concentration increases, then the insulin secreted. So what are the effects of insulin on the body? Actually, it decreases the blood glucose concentration. How it decreases the blood glucose concentration? It decreases by three ways. Number one, it increases the permeability of the cell membranes to glucose, so that increasing the rate of glucose uptake by the cells. Number two, it causes the conversion of glucose to glycogen. Like we can say that it acts opposite to adrenaline. Adrenaline converts glycogen to glucose, but insulin converts glucose to glycogen for the storage purpose in liver and muscles. And number three, it causes an increased oxidation of glucose during the tissue respiration. So there is an overall increase in the utilization of glucose by the cells, so that glucose concentration from the blood decreases, which is the main purpose of the insulin. So this is all about the hormones adrenaline and insulin.